Are you searching for a sound system that doesn't just play music, but brings it to life? Do you want deep bass, clear highs, and features that cater to all your audio needs? Then let's talk about the Euroken EK-607 woofer system, affectionately known as Mtungi, thanks to its unique cylindrical shape. It's designed to be the heartbeat of your home entertainment setup. Stick around as we unpack what makes the EK-607 a standout in its category. Right out of the box, the Euroken EK-607 makes a bold statement. The main woofer unit features a 6.5-inch subwoofer speaker and a wooden cylindrical body, the largest of its kind among similar designs on the market, providing both a powerful presence and exceptional acoustic performance. Flanking the main unit are two 3-inch satellite speakers, engineered for clear mids and highs. And on the bass, you'll find rubber feet for added stability, reducing surface vibrations and ensuring consistent and clean audio even when the bass is thumping. Let's talk about performance. The EK-607 packs a serious punch with a total output of 90 watts. That's 60 watts from the main woofer and 15 watts each from the two satellite speakers. You'll get a wide frequency response from 50 Hz to 20 kHz, offering deep bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs. The subwoofer covers 50 Hz to 250 Hz, handling the low-end rumble with power. The satellites work within 250 Hz to 20 kHz, adding clarity and balance to the overall soundstage. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or vibing to your favorite playlist, the EK-607 gives you hi-fi quality sound that truly fills the room. So, what makes the EK-607 better than the rest? Let's break it down. 1. A wide voltage range of 100 to 240 volts. This means stability and reliability, even in areas with power fluctuations. 2. A larger remote control, which means more space, more functions, and more convenience in your hands. 3. Copper cables used in the satellite speakers, providing superior conductivity and sound quality compared to the industry's standard wires. And finally 4. A 13-month warranty, going beyond the typical 6 to 12-month range offered by most competitors. That's confidence you can count on. The Euroken EK-607 Mtungi woofer system brings together powerful 90-watt output with crystal-clear sound, modern connectivity options, and thoughtful design that puts you in control. From Bluetooth streaming to karaoke-ready mic inputs, from stable power support to high-grade materials, this system is built to impress, entertain, and last. The EK-607 isn't just powerful, it's built for every kind of listener. You get full Bluetooth mode for wireless streaming, USB mode to plug and play your favorite tracks, FM mode to enjoy your go-to radio stations, and AUX mode for direct cable connections from phones, TVs, or laptops. And for karaoke nights, live hosting, or family gatherings, the EK-607 includes 2 microphone input slots, not just one, giving you the freedom to sing, announce, or perform with a friend. Plus, it comes with 1 free microphone right in the box to get you started immediately. All of this is packed into one sleek system that focuses on delivering high-fidelity sound, convenience, and fun, no matter how you choose to listen. If you're looking for a feature-packed, premium-quality woofer system that delivers exceptional sound and real-world usability, the Euroken EK-607 is definitely worth considering.